Hey AskSpot community, this is Kimberly, and for this video, we will talk about a major bottleneck for so many service-based clients, and this is coding. A potential customer might be interested, but they have to wait for hours or even days for manual code, and in that time, they may have already found a competitor. So if you could build a tool for your clients that eliminates that delay entirely. So a tool that will capture a lead and provide an accurate, personalized code just within seconds, and it works 24/7. So for today, we will dive deep into AskSpot's IntelliForm to do just that. So we will be building a complete, intelligent code calculator for a moving company step by step. So here we are inside a business. Now we will just click on the plus icon and click the IntelliForm. So I will name this Moving Services IntelliForm, and our fictional client will be Verse in Texas. Okay, so let's go inside our form. Now, for the end action, we will make sure that Display AI Response is selected. Now, let's drag the blocks that we need. So first, I will be needing a title block. So let me just put that in the middle. And then I will be using a rich text block for just a little bit of description on what this form is. And let's put that in the middle also. Okay, now let me just use a separator so that looks better. Next, I will be using an input block since I would like to collect their name. So basically, we're collecting name, address, moving date, home size, additional service, and phone number. Next, let's add a label. Let's just delete the helper tag. We won't need that. All right, so there's the first full name. Next, we will collect the address. So let's add another separator for that. And then drag the input block, right? Just put that right here. Now let me just get the current address, unique ID, the label, and the placeholder will be type your complete address. Oh, right here. And let's remove the helper text and mark this as a text area so that they have a lot of space when putting their current address. Next, let's use another input block, and this time this is for the destination address. Let me just add this unique ID right here, and then the label, and then our placeholder, and remove the helper text. Now put the text area type. So next thing that we will add is the moving date. So for that, let me just use another separator and then use the date and time picker. Now over here, let's also change the unique ID. Change that to this one, and then moving date. And then for the helper text, let's just say so like a moving date and time, and then this should be that one. All right, awesome. Now let's add another one, and this will be, we will be asking them the size of their home because our calculation is also based on that. Let me just put the unique ID, the label, and then the helper text will be, let's just say the options and save changes. All right, so here's how it looks like right now. And then let me just add another one. So this one, we will be asking them for any additional services. Let me just use another input block for that. Okay, now additional services right here on label, and then the helper text will be the options. Okay, now let's ask for their phone number. Let's add that right now. I'm just gonna drag this block and then modify the unique ID, change the label, and then let's save this. Okay, there you go. As you notice, I was changing the unique ID for this box. So just think of it as a variable name. It's how we will tell the AI later, hey, grab the information that the user typed into this specific box right here. So for each and every block that you add to your form, it is better that you change your unique ID also, since getting this right is the foundation for everything else. Okay. So let me just save this. So our form is ready to collect data, but doesn't know how much to charge. So we will do that. We will train it by going here on the sources and by giving the AI the company's price list. So for this moving company, let's just say that they gave us a simple document that contains all of their business logic. So let's just upload that